Achoo. Huh?
Here. You could catch a cold dressed too lightly out here.
But what about you?
No problem. I'm tough as steel. Right, Shinosuke?
Yeah, he's some kind of superhuman.
Why don't you tell her how tough I really am?
ほらそんな格好じゃ風邪ひいちまうかもしんねえぞ。
でもルミナさんこそ。
気にすんな、俺は全然平気だから。なあ銀のせ
まあなんとかは風邪ひかないってね。
あ
はい。